Hello everyone.
We should have recorded that on the flying thing.
Stop recording.
I don't care.
Yo, what if you were a YouTuber and I interrupted all of your videos? Oh crap. What the hell, Rico? Oh, that basically just gave it away what I was going to say. I have a pet, well, it's my sister's pet parrot. His name's Rico. No. Too many cats. I'll just show you. Rico. Good game, Rico. What's wrong with you? Rico. My parrot. My sister's parrot. Yeah. Thumbs up or subscribe. If you like parrots or birds, just birds, because I would really appreciate it. What are you doing? Seriously, I just want to know what he's doing. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you seriously doing? What are you doing? Rico, tell everyone what you're doing. Also, he basically loves to dance. Anyway, that was a bit scary. If you like Parrot, put either subscribe or like this video. And I might be doing a video with my cats. And yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed.